go. Right, so put your ice cubes in there.
Goodness. This is gonna be the last one. Okay.
Right, so then get 1 spoon of your baking powder. Put that on top.
The what?
Yeah, and then get 1 spoon of your vinegar, and then it should go all fizzy. Let's see what happens. Ooh! Oh, it's coming up! It's coming up! Ooh. Right, do another one. I'll put the camera on it this time so.
It's too cold. Too cold.
Turn it around once you've done it. Right, do another one and we'll do it this way.
Oh, it's cold.
What's your scooper?
I don't have a cooper. It's so cold.
It'd be good if we had colour.
Yeah. Yeah.
That'd be enough if you want.
No. That one.
Right, now 1 powder of the 1 scoop of baking powder.
At the top. No what? Like this.
Yeah. Vinegar.
My hand looks like
let's
it's.
listen.
Let's get them bubbly.
It's fizzing. That is cool. Wait, put another vinegar in, see if it goes even higher. No, vinegar. The blue scoop. Ooh, it's coming up again.
Okay.
That is cool, isn't it? I wonder what reaction that is.
I want to try to that one. Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
Hey Mom, maybe we put some more gonna break.
Maybe might go all the way over the top.
Yeah, let's try.
Try it, see what happens.
I'm gonna do this one.
Maybe you should put a wee bit more powder in. Let's see.
Oh my gosh. That did the same like this one. Didn't work.
We'll put more vinegar in that one again. Now you put more powder in. Oh my goodness.
This. Oh my goodness! Oh my god, I do feel ice cubes.
Yeah, can you feel the fizzy? I wonder if the camera can hear how they're fizzing.
I'm gonna do that again. Oh, that's
I'll
wrong.
try pour some of that icy water in and see if anything happens. Whoa.
Let's do it to that one.
Whoa.
Too much.